Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Write 2 minus 2 like this and then we will join the lines to make a bunny. Draw its eyes, ears, join its legs and then color it and it's ready. Next, we'll be creating some more interesting crafts. Draw a circle. Now draw a circle inside it. Now we will draw the lines in the same manner as shown. Color it if you want. Now fill it by drawing the lines around. So here we are making a robot. Now draw its hands on the sides. Draw its legs. You can make some patterns inside it so that it looks machinery. Join it together and then color it if you want. You can done any color if you want. You can choose of your choice. So here we are making an astronaut and it's done. Next, we will draw 2 and then we will join them like this to make a parrot or bird, you can say. Make its wings. Draw the branch of a tree as shown. Draw its wings like this. Draw its tail, legs and it's ready. Next, write a 9 on a paper and inverted 9 like this. After that, draw the zigzag lines, draw its ears. So here we are making an animal. Guess it, what animal we are making. Draw its legs like this, draw its eyes. After that, make a tail on its back and it's ready. Next, we'll be writing a 5 and by joining it like this, we will make a duck. So draw its beak, eyes, make its legs. Now color it if you want and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, draw a 8 and then outline it like this. So here we are making a cute bear. Draw its hands, legs, eyes and it's ready. Color it if you want and it's done. Next, write a 2, 0, 2, 2 on a paper and then join the lines like this. Draw its eyes, mouth. So guess it what we are making. Now draw its legs by joining the lines. Again, make a heart in the between like this or in the side. Color it if you want and your tiger is ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.